Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix reminders not working on iPhone. Method 1. Restart your iPhone. In many cases, restart fixes temporary errors. So you have to restart your device to fix this problem. Go to Settings app, General, Shut down. Wait for 1 minute, then switch on the iPhone. Method 2. Check notification settings for Reminders app is on. Open Settings app and tap Notifications. Scroll down and tap Reminders. Here make sure that Allow Notification is turned on. Also, ensure that under Alerts, everything is checked. Tap Sounds and check that any tone is set for the Reminders app. Method 3. Enable location services for reminders. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Privacy. At the top of the page, tap Location Services. Scroll down and select Reminders from the list. Under the Allow Location Access section, tap while using the app. Method 4. Check your focus modes. Unlock your iPhone. Open Control Center. Look for the Focus Mode section. If Do Not Disturb is enabled, tap the focus mode to turn it off. Method 5. Turn off and then turn on reminders from iCloud. Open Settings app. Tap your name card from the top. Tap iCloud. Turn off the toggle for reminders. Select Delete from My iPhone. After 30 seconds, turn the toggle back on and let iCloud sync everything again. Method 6. Remove Reminders app widget. From the main home screen, swipe right till you reach the rightmost screen. Here scroll down and from the bottom tap Edit. If you have the Reminders app widget here, tap minus button, and then tap Remove. Now, restart your iPhone. Most likely, the problem with reminders will be solved on your iPhone. Method 7. Check for available updates. In some cases, updates will fix several bugs. While doing the update, you can get rid of this reminder app issue. Go to Settings app, General, Software Update. If you have a pending update, tap Download and install. Method 8. Delete Reminders app and reinstall it. Touch and hold on the Reminders app icon. Next, tap Remove app. Delete app. Now, restart your iPhone. After this, open App Store. Tap Search from the bottom right. Type Reminders in the search box and tap the download icon to install the app. Method 9. Reset iPhone settings. Open Settings app. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Tap Reset All Settings to conform. Please note that this won't delete any personal data, but it will erase all Wi-Fi passwords, VPN configurations, privacy settings, and more. So make sure you have the necessary data backed up or written somewhere safe.